And what's in the ocean?
Animals.
Animals.
Put the tape on this. I don't know how we're gonna tape this.
Well, today you'll find out some of the things that we do here at the Corps of Engineers.
So today we built out of straws and duct tape, and we used scissors, and we made a structure that could hold up a tennis ball at the top.
Good teamwork, Joe.
So we only need that's the last cube we need. For the bottom.
So what this does is this simulates what we do with our waterways and our wetlands. It's spilling over into this.
From this exercise, I learned that the rain building parking lots over the dams and stuff creates flooding if you don't do something about it.
All right, so here it's raining. Where's all that water go? It drains immediately into there.
That when people try to build their houses on the lake and stuff, and they put dams in, if you take out the dam, then they're not going to be able to see their lake anymore, and their people are going to get mad. But if they don't do it, they can make the thing overflood and mess up the environment basically.
Now what's going to happen right here?
It's gonna rise, and that's gonna
Right,
flood.
the water's going to flood there.
What I learned today was that the Army Corps helps the environment, and there's many jobs in the Army Corps of Engineers. And yes, I need tape. We had a triangle on the bottom, and so then we made straw for the bottom.
All right.
Why are the cars bigger than the houses?
You had to ask that question? All right.